In this video, today we will discuss about the tobacco smoking. The tobacco is the derived leaf of the plant Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. These plants belong to the family Solanaceae, and the use of the tobacco was originated in the America, and it was smoked by the Red Indians. And over the 6,800 different chemicals are found in the tobacco smokes. The nicotine is the substance that causes addiction to the tobacco, and it also acts as a tranquilizer but stimulates the release of adrenaline hormone, leading to the high blood pressure. And the nicotine is highly toxic. It can cause cramps, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, confusion, and tremor. The nicotine present in the cigarette is sufficient to kill a person if injected intravenously. Now, the nicotine stimulates the passage of nerve impulses. Nicotine causes the muscles to relax, and nicotine causes increased heart rate. In the pregnant woman, nicotine causes retardation of the growth of fetus. And tobacco smokes contain carbon monoxide, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and tar. The polycyclic hydrocarbons are carcinogenic, and the main harmful effects of smoking are respiratory disease such as lung cancer and bronchitis and emphysema, and the cardiovascular disease such as coronary artery disease and peripheral vascular disease. Some smoke particles irritate the lungs airway and causing the excess mucus secretion. And smoke particles also indirectly destroy the wall of alveoli, which cause KOLs. Both these factors reduce the lungs efficiency, and one of the common cancer attribute to cigarette smoking is the lung cancer, and the mouth cancer is commonly found among the tobacco chewing. Smoking may cause psychological dependence on the product in the smoke, and the withdrawal may be produce a variety of unpleasant reactions. Some people are apparently unable to stop, and no matter what is the result. Central Tobacco Research Institute, Rajahmundry, situated in the Andhra Pradesh, and Anti-Drugs Tobacco Day is celebrated on the May 31st. Now, the second topic is the alcoholism. The ethyl alcohol is a colorless liquid produced by the fermentation of sugar by yeast, and it is the active constituent of all the alcoholic drinks such as beer. In beer, 5% of ethyl alcohol by volume present होता है, and in the wine 10% by volume, in the whiskey 40% by volume. And clinically, alcohol is used as an antiseptic and a solvent. Alcohol also acts as a drug, and even in this small amount, it affects in the body as a noticeable. Alcohol taken in is rapidly absorbed by the guts and enter in the bloodstream within a few minutes. And absorb within a few minutes, and it does not require any digestion. Low level of alcohol causes facial flushing, talkativeness, and increases social confidence, and high dose of alcohol causes disruptive thinking, irritability, reduced self-control, slurred speech, drovishness, difficulty in the remaining upright, etc. The alcohol act on the central nervous system (CNS), that is brain and spinal cord. The as a act on the CNS as a depressant. It decreases the activity of CNS, central nervous system, thereby reducing anxiety, tension, and inhibitions. It also decreases the secretion of ADH hormone, antidiuretic hormone from the posterior pituitary gland, resulting in the poor water absorption and increase the urine output. Heavy drinkers become dehydrated quickly. Thirst, dry tongue, and hangover are associated with the after effect of alcohol. Now, the William Shakespeare commented on the effect of alcohol on sexual behavior. It provokes the desire but takes away performance. In the liver, alcohol is converted into the acetaldehyde, which is metabolized by the cell for energy, and the liver synthesizes fat from the alcohol, and extra fat decrease the production of enzyme and structural protein. As a result होता क्या है, liver become the storehouse of fat. liver क्या होता है, storehouse fat का storehouse बन जाता है instead of the metabolic center, and the accumulation of fat result in the fatty liver syndrome, and fatty liver syndrome causing cirrhosis. It means this replacement of the liver cell by the fibrous tissues. Alcohol addiction also lower blood sugar level and adversely affect the brain. Alcohol and motor driving do not go together as alcohol. Causes of alcohol means reduce the coordination of limbs, head and eyes, reduce field of vision, it means कि tunnel vision, reduce ability of judge distance, increase reaction time, change behavior, reduce alertness, etc.